Okay, so if we take a look at this one, our quadratic already equals 0, so we don't need to move anything over. We can just start filling in the skeleton of our formula. And then we're going to label our A, our B, and our C. Again, our A is the number in front of the x. Our B is the our A is the number in front of the x squared. Our B is the number in front of the x, and the C is just the number. Put the numbers in the right spot based off the formula. So B goes here and here. A goes here, C, and then A. And then we are going to go ahead and clean it up. So we get x is equal to, that 8 becomes negative, plus or minus some radical, and then in the bottom 2 times 1 is 2. So we are going to go ahead, again, sorry if you can hear my husband on the phone in the background, but we are going to go ahead and plug this into our calculator. So you're going to do 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. And we get 24. So check and see how we can simplify this radical, and we can. So we have to figure out the largest perfect square that can go into 24. This one's a nice little number. So the largest perfect square that can go into 24 is 4. And it can go in 6 times. The square root of 4 is 2. You can't take the square root of 6, so it stays. So we rewrite it as 2 radical 6. Then check and see, do we have heart? And we do. The largest number that can go into 8, 2 and 2 is 2. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's totally fine to write it that way, but I don't believe that that is an option as an answer. I think it looks more like this, negative 4 plus or minus radical 6. The ones you don't have to write. I think that's how it is in the problem. So there you go, that's how you do that problem.